to Soapy Dooby Kids. I am A for apple, my spelling is A-P-P-L-E. I am B for ball, my spelling is B-A-L-L. I am C for cat, my spelling is C-A-T. I am D for dog, my spelling is D-O-G. I am E for egg, my spelling is E-G-G. I am F for fish, my spelling is F-I-S-H. I am G for grapes, my spelling is G-R-A-P-E-S. I am H for hat, my spelling is H-A-T. I am I for ice, my spelling is I-C-E. I am J for jug, my spelling is J-U-G. I am K for kite, my spelling is K-I-T-E. I am L for lion, my spelling is L-I-O-N. I am M for moon, my spelling is M-O-O-N. I am N for nest, my spelling is N-E-S-T. I am O for orange, my spelling is O-R-A-N-G-E. I am P for parrot, my spelling is P-A-R-R-R-O-T. I am Q for queen, my spelling is Q-U-E-E-N. I am R for rabbit, my spelling is R-A-B-B-I-T. I am S for sun, my spelling is S-U-N. I am T for tree, my spelling is T-R-E-E. I am U for umbrella, my spelling is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. I am V for fan, my spelling is V-A-N. I am W for watch, my spelling is W-A-T-C-H. I am X for X-ray, my spelling is X-R-A-Y. I am Y for yo-yo, my spelling is Y-O-Y-O.